Hey traders, welcome back. Have you ever wondered how people can make $1,000 on their $100 trading account, or even blow their entire trading account in just a single trade? Well, the key to that is called leverage. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what leverage is and how to use it in the best way. Well, leverage is the money that traders borrow from the brokers to be able to increase their profit potentials. We are going to understand this best with the help of an example. Well, you funded your account with $1,000 and the broker offered you 0 leverage. That means you are trading with a leverage of 1:1, and the maximum unit you can trade is 1,000 units. That's 0.01, and it's a micro lot. In case you don't know what a lot size is, I've previously recorded a video on lot size. You can check it out. You place the trade on the GBP USD pair, and the current price was 1.3000. Now the price changed to 1.3100, so there is a change of 100 pips, and your profit is going to be $10. That's 1% of your account. And now we increase our leverage to 1:10, so the broker will allow us to trade 10 times of our account balance. So as we have $1,000 in our account, the brokers will allow us to control $10,000 in the market. So with the same example, if the price moves 100 pips, we are going to make $100, and that's going to be 10% on our account. Note this, increasing your leverage also increases your profit potential, and at the same time it exposes you to a lot of risk, and you can blow your trading account. Some brokers allows up to 1:1,000 leverage, but it's up to you to choose wisely. That's all for today, and I hope this was informative. Thanks for watching.